Hello, today we will guide you through how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Slack. To get started, open Slack and make sure you are in the correct workspace. Once Slack is on screen, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation panel. This is where Slack keeps many of its key options, including the area you will use to add and manage integrations. In that left sidebar, look for the Tools option. Depending on your workspace layout, you may need to scan the menu carefully, but it should appear among the available navigation items. When you find it, click on Tools to open that section. After the Tools area opens, you will be able to search for available apps or integrations. In the search field, type Microsoft Team. As you type, Slack should begin showing matching results. Look for the Microsoft Teams option in the list that appears. Once you see it, click on Microsoft Team to open the integration page. This will take you to the app or marketplace page connected to that integration. On this screen, look for the Add to Slack button. This button begins the process of connecting Microsoft Teams with your Slack workspace. Click Add to Slack to continue. From here, Slack will guide you through the remaining setup using on-screen prompts. Follow the procedures shown in your browser or app window carefully. This part may include reviewing permissions, confirming access, or signing in to the Microsoft service so the connection can be completed properly. Take your time and read each screen before moving forward, especially if your organization has approval requirements for adding workplace apps. As you go through the setup, it is a good idea to make sure you are signed into the correct Microsoft account and working in the correct Slack workspace. That can help avoid confusion later, especially if you manage multiple accounts or belong to more than one team environment. Once you finish the on-screen setup, the integration should be connected and ready for use based on your workspace permissions and available features. That's it for the process of integrating Microsoft Teams with Slack. If something does not look the same on your screen, the workspace layout or app marketplace view may be slightly different, but the overall flow remains the same. Open Tools, search for the integration, select it, and complete the prompts on screen.